Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 115th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brian of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata. India, new Salesian bishop seeks blessings from faithful at episcopal ordination. Brother Banhun Lang Lingdo reports.
More than 4,000 people on July 23rd attended the episcopal ordination of Salesian Bishop Nirmal Vincent Gomes of Krishnagar in West Bengal State. After the ordination at Cathedral of the Holy Redeemer in Krishnagar, the new bishop asked the gathering to bless him as he takes charge of the diocese. The congregation, consisting of 22 bishops, 200 priests and 400 sisters, and some 4,000 faithful, responded extending their right hand in prayerful blessing as the newly ordained bishop bowed his head in prayer. The bishop-elect's uncle, Bishop Emeritus Theotonius Gomes of Dhaka, presided over the episcopal ordination along with Archbishop Thomas de Souza of Calcutta and Salesian Cardinal Charles Mawingbo of Yangon, President of the Federation of Asian Bishops' Conferences, and some 18 other bishops. Also present was Apostolic Nuncio to India and Nepal, Archbishop Leopoldo Girelli. Father Gomes, the sixth Salesian priest to serve as the bishop of Krishnagar Diocese, was the rector of Salesian College Sonada as well as vice principal of Salesian College Siliguri before becoming 16th Provincial of Salesians Calcutta and headed the Don Bosco operations of Bengal, Sikkim, Nepal, and Bangladesh. Father Gomes is 12th alumnus and faculty of Salesian College Sonada to be ordained bishop.
Pope Francis declared 2025 as the Jubilee Year. Church Art Kolkata offers a fitting inspiration to the Jubilee Year with its collection of life-size statues, 14 Stations of the Cross, 20 Mysteries of the Holy Rosary, Lives of Saints, and innumerable murals on the life of Jesus and liturgical designs to embellish existing church doors. Also available are 10 panels of St. Francis of Assisi's Canticle of Creation to testify your institution's green commitment. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco past pupil by email churchart.kanguli@gmail.com or WhatsApp, Telegram, country code 919831020945. 20945. Nepal Salesians commit to quality education, upgrades school. Father Augusti Polikal reports from Kathmandu.
The newly elected mayor of Barakshetra municipality, Mr. Ramesh Karki, inaugurated the new wing of Morning Star School at Chakragati on 16th July 2022. The building was blessed by Father Augusti Polikal, the coordinator of the Nepal mission, in the presence of Kolkata Vice Provincial Father Sunil Kerketa and other Salesians of Nepal. The new building is equipped with smart classrooms, library, and AV hall for commerce students of classes 11 and 12. The special guests at the function included local political leaders, ward chairpersons, bureaucrats from education department, principals of various schools, students and their parents. The new wing was sponsored by Fratelli Dimenticati Foundation of Italy. The Salesian mission started in Nepal 30 years ago and has 20 Salesians working in Nepal, engaged in academic and technical education with hostels and outreach programs. The Salesians provide similar services in 134 countries.
South Korea 300 Salesian cooperators hold 3 weekend zonal conferences. Father Samuel Yo Myong-gil reports from Seoul.
The meetings were held on 3rd day July in Seoul, Gyeonggi Province, Jeon, then on 10th July in Daejeon Central Zone, and on 17th July in the Southwest Jeon, Gwangju, in the Southeast region Busan, Changwon, and in the Jeju Island Zone. The provincial cooperator, Mr. Andrea Bang-man-sik, worked in close collaboration with the provincial delegate Father Bosco Park and Sister Gertruda Kim. The theme of the conference was Strength 2022, do everything through love, nothing through constraint. Every year, the Korean province offers 2 more months of animation for cooperators through recollection during Advent and Lenten season. The 3rd annual moment of animation is the 1-day annual conference in the month of July.
You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. Thailand, 70 Salesian cooperators hold a 3-day annual meet. Father Ekasit Thalakulton reports from Bangkok.
70 members of the Salesian cooperators of Thailand participated in the annual retreat and general meeting from 14th to 16th July 2022 with the theme, Follow Me. Father Nippon Sarachit animated the event held at Salesian Retreat House, Hua Hin, Pratu of Kirikan. Besides spiritual instruction and moments of intense devotional practices, the retreat was also an occasion for bonding with the other members. The Provincial of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, Sister Nipa Rangapit, visited and encouraged the members. In Thailand, there are 175 Salesian cooperators. While Mr. Ponsawat Lut Withia Wiwat is the coordinator, Father Peter Nippon Sarachit and Sister Maria Supawan Chotipon are the national delegates.
Vietnam Salesian Sisters celebrate 150th anniversary of Institute with Parents and Exhibition. Provincial Delegate for Social Communications, Sister Maria Nguyen Anthi reports.
Salesian Sisters of Southern Vietnam marked the 150th anniversaries of the FMA Institute on 16 July 2022 in the provincial house at Tam Ha with their parents and relatives. Salesian Vice Provincial Father Joseph Nguyễn Kim Khánh celebrated Jubilees Eucharist. After Holy Mass, Vice Provincial Father Joseph and FMA Provincial Sister Maria Hoàng Thị Thu Hà inaugurated the History and Spirit Exhibitions Room. The sisters illustrated presentation with different art forms, showing God's love and providence in the Institute's foundations through St. John Bosco and St. Mary Magdalene. The family meeting day ended with intimate family party and a souvenir for each family.
India, Don Bosco University hosts 650-member sports contingent for Assam Youth Olympics. Father Jose Paleli reports from Guwahati.
Assam Don Bosco University is hosting more than 650 participants of Assam Youth Olympics, which commenced on 22nd July 2022. All 35 districts of Assam are participating in the 6-day meet, and some 4,500 players are competing in a total of 32 events in 8 different venues. Guwahati Sports Association, hosted at Don Bosco University, is the largest youth Olympic contingent with some 650 players and officials. The huge convocation hall, 21 classrooms, and one emergency room for officers from fire department are given for their use. Along with water supply and electricity supply, university has made available for catering services of its food court. In addition, university is offering sports scholarships for athletes who joined academic year 2022-23.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.